welcome to the Carpediem company. This channel is an effort to entertain you with a vast variety of topics. If you wish to support this effort, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon, or make a one-time contribution. Your support will help us create more of these videos more frequently on more number of topics. Do check out all the links in the description below. Let's share some fun facts by hearing that we bet you didn't know. Are you ready for it? How can you really test your ears? The Carpediem company has a simple but 100% accurate test you can take, and we'll run it in a few moments when it's ready. So like this video and let's start. What should you do? First, put on the headphones. Make sure you are in a quiet place with no background. Just remember to be persistent. You will be exposed to the sound frequencies that a human ear cannot perceive will travel through and beyond the human audio spectrum. As soon as your ears start to perceive the sound, stop the video and you will see your results. Ready, let's go. Hope you like the video. Share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. If you wish to support the production of more videos like these, consider becoming a sponsor on Patreon, or make a one-time contribution, all through the links in the description below.